number 6. Number 6, we want to do string encryption. Okay, so as I told you the story about Second World War. Okay, so during the Second World War, and that time people don't have phone. There's no cell phone yet, no email. There's telegraph. Okay, so telegraph can actually be get from the other party. So that's become life and death issue now, because if you send it to telegraph to your commander, say we are going to send our tank to attack at this city. If your enemy know already ahead of time, they all retreat. You waste your time. Or we are going to do this and that. We're going to send our infantry to this place. If somebody know already, they just ambush all your infantry soldiers. So during the Second World War, they gather a lot of computer scientists. That time probably computer scientists right now, like at the COVID-19 time, medical worker are the essential worker. Okay, but during the World War II, the essential worker, those are the computer scientists, and they gather together. And as a matter of fact, because of them, the computer and also the database, entire thing was invented out of this event. Okay, so we're going to write a program right now, and we're going to write small program. Is we're going to do encrypt. Okay, so what happened is, if you do have A, use ASCII code. A is Z. Okay, so B is Y, right? So we encrypt by this way. Okay, so that way, of course, if you encrypt like this way, then your enemy will find out in one day. Okay, so during the World War II, they do different way, because they are not going to, if they send in another help list, say, oh, by the way, you just reverse this and that. No, so everything has to be computerized, has a strategy right there. Do you understand? So let's try to do this. Okay, this is for Stone Age world. Okay, Stone Age when you do this. Okay, so everybody, are you ready right now? We are going to do it right now. Okay. By the way, I also need to do my my tic-tac-toe. I don't know where I have time. Okay, so I'm going to create a new program. Okay, ASCII++ program. It's okay. Then I'm going to call this chapter 12 right now. Is that right? All right, and this is a homework 2. Okay, I'm going to put a day because I always couldn't find my own work. Okay. So after I have that right now, I'm going to create an right one. Okay. So we are going to have a class. Okay. So let's do a class right here, and we're just going to call this class. How about this? Okay, easy name, or encrypt. Okay, encryption. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, encryptable string. It's okay, encryptable string. And you know what? We also need to inherit string. Can you do that for me? Can you do that? All right. So we encrypt encryptable string, but we inherit string because we want to use a bunch of the function in string. All right. So far, okay. Now I have that. I have to tell them I want string. Okay. So include. All right. I need to type correctly, right? So So gentlemen, ladies, right now, so we are going to encrypt our string, okay? So this one, we basically want to try to use our string. I show you on the string has so many functions right there, okay? So I want you to learn to use, to fly with the wings of string. So we don't have our private variable. We want to use everything by your string. So we're going to have no private, okay? That's right, public. And the first one right here, can you type this? Is we don't even okay. So let's encrypt string. This is your constructor. Can you copy it? I have so many typo. Control C. Can you type it, please? Can you copy paste here? All right, so that's your constructor, right? And when you go into constructor and you say string s, okay, that's a string. That's the basic. That's what you're going to do today. Is that right? You are going to encrypt a string, right? Then because you don't have private variable, guys. Is that right? So you actually want to your ancestor will do it for you. Okay, so this is what you're going to do, and it will be on your final exam. It's okay. This will be on your final exam. So that's your constructor. Look, this constructor so weird. You have to practice, okay? Then I'm going to say this. I'm going to void and encrypt. Oh, I need to type correctly. Okay. All right, gentlemen, are you okay right now? So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to make this one a little bit larger. It's okay. I'm going to minimize this and minimize this right now. Okay. So let me see, what do I wrote? I need to semicolon, of course, right? So after I have that, I need to have my CPP, right? So I'm going to come right here. So create my CPP. Okay, so promote it. And which I'm going to write it by here. Is that okay? I'm write it by here. It's okay. I'm right here. Let me squeeze in. Okay, so I have enough place to write it. So right here, and I'm going to do this. So remember, I'm doing the first letter become the last one. The last one become the first one. Okay, so we probably want to use a for loop to do that. Is that okay? So this is what we're going to do right now. So the first become last. All right. So make sure you understand. The first become last. So you say this for. Okay. So integer. Okay. I equals 0, and we need to know the length of your string. You say commander. Okay. Will send 10,000 troops, okay, and to this hamburger city, something. All right, how long is that? Okay, so you need to do this. Now, because we are doing class. Do you understand? We're doing a class, and so the really string say commander, this and that. That we're using the main program. So you don't have that yet. Right now you use this, okay? Do me a favor, you do. And you understand why this, okay? And this is a pointer, so this have to do this, okay? So length. And the reason we have length is this, because we inherit string. So length is a variable. Length is a property. So we do this right now. All right. So now what you do is we do this. So that thing, remember, remember we put this. All right. So this is the address, boys and girls. This is the address. Okay. So I'm going to take the content. I'm going to take content from that address. All right. So I'm going to I and then plus. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do this right now. So I'm going to each one of these, and I am going to encrypt one by one. Okay, so let's do this right now. I'm going to use it. All right, sorry, right here. So I'm going to say use my encrypt, okay? Encrypt, use encrypt, okay? All right, so I'm going to take my CPP. Let me just a minute. I'm going to pull right here and take my encryption uh, right here in the middle. Come on, here, stay. All right, so they are here right now. It's okay. Then I'm going to write my thing. So let's have a golden 7 line first, okay? First I need that thing. All right, so right here, we're going to get a string right now, okay? So request a string. Okay, I run this program right now, okay? From user. All right, so then CL, okay? So enter a string, yeah, will be encrypted. All right, so we tell them that will be encrypted, okay? Now, Second World War don't have that. That time don't have computer yet, okay? So now we do this right now, okay? So we are going to do this. So cin str. Okay, do we create a string yet? No, we did not, huh? So have to do that. Sorry. All right. So I have to say string and str, okay, or something, or word or command, okay. Let's put command, like a word type, okay. So then you enter your command. All right. So now you got this, and you enter your command right now, okay. So cin command. Remember for this, if you want to, with this, you don't have space, okay? Otherwise, you need to get line cin. We'll try that too, okay? So now I got this. So you gave me a command right now, okay? You gave me a command. So once I have a command here, all right, now I'm going to do encrypt. This is what we do normally. Normally we do my class, and okay, this is what we do. Hold on, my class. Let me copy down my class, okay, because I have so many typos. All right, so usually we do like this, Control C and Control V. Then we say a word, something like that. Okay, that's what we do. But now you do inheritance. You do inherit. So you don't do this, okay? So boys and girls, you don't do this. Is that okay? So you come here. Look, you have S. You have S. So you do S. And you're going to ask your command. That's your command, okay? So what you're going to do is this. You're going to take. Because you inherit. When inherit is, they have their way. Do you understand how to say that? Your father has their way, and anyway, some way, some tradition already being set up. Okay, so Christmas Day only eat tamales. Okay, then you have to follow. Do you understand? You are the kid. You have no option. So you take these S, then you do S. They do S1, you do S1. Okay, that's how you write. But now you put the command, you put command inside right now. So you want to encrypt here. Okay, so we are going to do this. Oh, by the way, I said it wrong, okay? We don't do A to Z. We do A become B, B become C, something like that. Easy one, okay? First grade can figure out this, okay? So now we're going to encrypt right now. So we're going to encrypt. So we say that S dot, okay? Your S can encrypt. So you are using your yeah. You're going to use in ASCII, and encrypt is right here. Let me see, do I have encrypt? Okay, encrypt. Do I have right here? Finally, I can encrypt, right? So I can encrypt. All right. So right now, see how let's do this right now. So then we are going to do this is S. Yeah, okay. All right. So let's do this right now. Okay, let's do this. So far, okay, you finish this. So let's do this. So build. Oh, okay, hold on. Do I type anything wrong? Sorry, okay. All right, so let's do this. Or the commander say attack. All right, so A become B, T become U, U become that. Okay, whatever. So that's encrypt. All right. So far, okay. All right. So I stop this program.